If you're in need of water heater repair near Fullerton, CA, look no further than the Water Heater Warehouse. Our expert team provides fast, reliable service to get your water heater back in top shape. Whether it's a minor fix or a major repair, we handle it all with professionalism and expertise. Don't let a broken water heater disrupt your day. Contact our water heater repair today for consultation. Are you looking for a water heater repair near me? You can stop looking. You found the Water Heater Warehouse. Is it worth it to repair a hot water heater? The 50% rule suggests that if any repair costs 50% of what it would cost to replace, it should be replaced rather than repaired. What is the average life of a water heater? With regular maintenance, draining, and flushing, a gas water heater may last 8 to 12 years, while an electric water heater can last 10 to 15 years. What is your water heater repair area for the Fullerton, California office? Our local water heater repair has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Fullerton, Westminster, Santa Ana, Sleepy Hollow, Diamond Bar, South San Jose Hills, Whittier, Norwalk, Lakewood, Cypress, Midway City, Garden Grove, Orange, Villa Park, Santa Fe Springs, Stanton, Los Alamitos, Yorba Linda, California. Where is your Fullerton, California water heater repair located? We are located at 1114 East Truslow Avenue, Fullerton, California 92831. Our phone number is 714-244-8562. Visit our website, http://www.thewaterheaterwarehouse.com.